Hi, and welcome to Love Your Home, Multi-Trade Building Services Renovation Tip of the Week. I'm Jackie Stezik. I'm the Project Manager and Marketing Director with Multi-Trade Building Services. We'll come to you each week with tips about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and more. Today, we're going to talk about converting your garage to a living space. Now, when space gets tight in your home and you really want to find ways to create more living space without building an addition, converting your garage into a new living space can be an option. We're going to discuss the basics today of this project, along with some of the zoning and legal issues. Now, to gain extra space for your home, building an addition on your home is definitely one way to do it. However, it can be extremely time consuming, expensive, and it does come with a lot of legal requirements. Converting your garage to a living space will typically add around 600 square feet with less expense than a full addition. So let's talk about the legal requirements. The first thing you need to realize is that converting your garage to a living space is much different than just finishing your basement. If all you're doing is adding insulation and drywall to the existing walls in your basement, you don't need a permit, and it can be done quite easily, often even as a DIY. However, your garage was initially zoned as a space meant for cars only, so there may be a rezoning requirement along with architectural drawings and a permit. Because each municipality might be different, you will need to talk to a plans examiner at your local building department in order to get details on what's required in order to convert your garage to a living space. The building department is normally located within City Hall. It's also worth it to connect with an architectural technologist. He or she will be your best resource for the legal requirements for your garage conversion and will be the one who will design your space and create the required drawings for your project as well. Now, this is a step you don't want to skip. I know many people don't want to bother with permits, zoning, and drawings because it is an added expense and will delay the project. However, this step protects you, your family, and your home. The drawings, permits, and subsequent inspections will ensure that everything is done properly and safely. If you want to learn more about converting your garage to a living space, then check out our blog post at www.multitradebuildingservices.com/news converting a garage to a living space. Thank you so much for joining us this week for Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week. Be sure to join us next week, as every Tuesday we post a new one on Facebook, and it's available on Mondays on our YouTube channel. Next week, we're going to be talking about cooking without a kitchen during your renovation. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next week.